Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your email notifications on monday.com. Go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and simply click in administration. Expand customization, then click in user notification. Here you'll find email notification. You can expand this, and here you have all the notifications that you can enable or disable if you don't want. So let's say I didn't want any updates about replies to my update. I can uncheck that. I don't want to receive notification about sign up after invite to the team. I can uncheck that. I don't want any email notification about subscribes to my board items or team. I can uncheck that. So you get a general idea. So whatever you don't want, you can uncheck it, and that's going to basically help you to reduce the number of email notifications you have coming into your mailbox. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you manage email notifications on monday.com.